Class 142 means class 12 of mechatronics. Now, here self-adaptive control. So here there are two types: model reference adaptive and self-tuning regulator. In the previous one, gain schedule, there the gain only is adjusted by the program in a predictable manner. Here it is the model. Okay, the model will be changed. Reference model will be there, and then you can change the values of the parameters. For example, say first you control the speed of a DC motor. Say initially you have assumed speed is controlled by only armature voltage. So in the model, you have only armature voltage. But say in some particular application, at a particular instant, say in the morning in the system, the armature voltage remains same, but flux you can vary only field current. So you will have to change the model itself. Means now the parameter itself is getting changed. Here now you will have to inform the system, that is the controller, that now you have to vary field current, not armature voltage. In this application, armature voltage is fixed. You cannot vary armature voltage. Hence, now change your model means you consider field current as the parameter which is to be used to control the speed. Suppose say in a particular application you need to control speed. You want to increase the speed. So in some application, if armature voltage is fixed, in the model you have to use field current. If field current is fixed, you will have to use armature voltage. So model will change because if you use armature voltage, speed is directly proportional to the armature voltage. If you use field current, the output speed is inversely proportional to the field current. So here the parameter will be adjusted and you have new controller parameters. So this particular adjustment will be done till the process model error reduces to zero. See, the process is there. Okay, when you change the model, it will have effect on the process. So model will be changed continuously. It will check which one should I control, either field current or armature voltage. So this adjustment will be happening till the output will be equal to the input. That means when the difference between the model and the process becomes zero. So control procedure happens like that. So initially fairly accurate reference model is used. You will use speed or armature voltage here. You cannot use something else. For example, say if you are hungry, you will use a fairly accurate reference model. You want to eat idli. Okay. But one day you may not be happy with idli. You may need chapati. So model will change. Sometimes puri, someday. So you will change this model, but it should be fairly accurate model. You will have to use flux or armature voltage for DC motor. For AC motor, different. If you are hungry, you can use idli, chapati, or puri, etc. You cannot use something wood or petrol or diesel for human beings. Similarly, the model should be fairly accurate one. So this is how it happens.